Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. Now I am going to teach for JEE mains exam. Here that is a April 2025 shift 1 question. Question is, if the function f of x equal to 2x cube minus 9ax square plus 12a square x plus 1, here where a greater than 0, attains its local maximum and local minimum value at p and q such that what condition is given as p square equal to q, then f of 3 is equal to. So here it is asked to find f of 3. But in f of 3, in f of x we are having a. So first we have to find the value a. Find the value for a. So for that what are the conditions given? A greater than 0 and local maximum and local minimum at p and q and p square equal to q. So three conditions are given to find. So first here f of x equal to 2x cube minus 9ax square plus 12a square x plus 1. This is f of x. This is f of x. So here, so first f dash of x. Why you have to find f dash of x means here local maximum and minimum is given. Therefore, first we have to find f dash of x. So 6x square minus 18ax plus 24a square. 24 not 12a square. Here a square only having a square. Here x is degree 1. Therefore 12a square. So take 6 outside. X square minus 3ax plus 2a square. So to find the cutoff points we have to keep f dash of x equal to 0 implies x square minus 3ax plus 2a square equal to 0. 2a square equal to 0. So x minus a, x minus 2a equal to x minus 2a equal to 0. So x equal to a and x equal to 2a. So here maximum and minimum points a and 2a. Now we are the condition. What is the condition given as p square equal to q? Now I take it as p equal to a and p equal to a and q equal to 2a. Q equal to 2a. Therefore p square equal to q implies a square equal to 2a. You have to take anything. This is p or this is p. We can take anything. So a square minus 2a equal to 0. So a equal to 0 or a equal to 2. But a cannot be 0 because it is given in the condition itself. It is given a greater than 0. Therefore a not equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 2. A equal to 2. So now I find the value for a. Now f of x. We have to find the value of f of x. That is we have to replace the constant. So 2x cube minus 9 into 2 that is 18x square plus 12 into 4 48x plus 1. Now we have to find f of 3. F of 3. So 2 into 27 minus 18 into 3 square plus 48 into 3 plus 1. What is the answer is 37. 37. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.